Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss decimal representation of rational numbers. So in this decimal representation of rational numbers by division method. Suppose I have 7 by 2. To convert 7 by 2, so here 7 by 2 is a rational number. To convert this rational number into decimal form, you have to divide 7 by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 1 is less than 2. So this 1 is less than 2. So you have to put here point, then we can get a 0 here. Now 10 goes 5 times, 2 5s are 10, 0 remainder. So this is the decimal form to 7 by 2, 3.5. Okay, so decimal form of 7 by 2 is 3.5. Suppose 1 by 2, divide 1 by 2. So already 1 is less than 2, so put here point. So before point should keep something, so there is no whole number, so we have to put 0. Once you put point, so you have to keep 1 0 here. Okay, now 2 5s are 10, 0 remainder. So decimal form of 1 by 2 is 0.5. 7 by 5, 7 divided by 5, 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 2 is less than 5, so put here point, so we'll get 0 here, 5 4s are 20, 0 remainder. So that equal 1. Decimal form of 7 by 5 is 1 point. So like this we can convert every rational number into decimal form. Okay, let us take one more, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So 1 divided by 3. So 1 is less than 3, so put here point, so we'll get here 0. 3 3s are 9. We'll get 1 remainder. So again 1 is less than 3, so once you put it points, we can get 0 1 0 always. So that is again 3 3s are 9. We'll get again 1, so we can get 1 more 0. So 3 3s are 9. Like this 3 is repeating. What we got? 0.3333 and so on. This repeating decimal we can write as 0.3 bar. Okay, this recurring decimal or repeating decimal we can write as 3 bar. Suppose 1 by 7. 1 by 7 I have 1 by 7. 1 divided by 7. Okay, 1 divided by 7. We can write 0 point. So we'll get here 0. 7 1s are 7, 3 remainder. So we can get 1 0. 7 4s are 28. We'll get 2 remainder. So we can get 0. 7 2s are 14. We'll get 6 remainder. So 0. 7 8s are 56. 4 remainder. 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 remainder. 0. 7 7s are 49. 1 remainder. We'll get 0. 7 1s are 7. 3 0. 7 4s are 28. 2 remainder. 0. By observing this, we are repeating this. So 10, 3 remainder, 28, 2 remainder, like this. So up to here we got 1 4 2 8 5 7, then again we will get 1 4 2 8 5 7, then we will get 1 4 2 8 5 7. So that we can write as 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 dash, that we can write as bar. These set of digits are repeating, 142857 are repeating, so bar on 142857. So by observing these two in this 3, so here we got 3.5, so finally we got 0 remainder, stopped here. So here also 0.5, here also 1, up to here stopped the division. Okay, not repeated here, but here 3 is repeating, here 142857 is repeating. So then these 3 decimals are called terminating decimals. What type of decimals? Terminating. These are terminating decimals. Okay, so here these are terminating mean stopped, అంటే ఆగిపోయింది, ఇక్కడికి ఆగిపోయింది. 5 వచ్చేసింది, 0 రిమైండర్ వచ్చింది, ఈ డివిజన్ వాజ్ స్టాప్డ్, అంటే డివిజన్ అక్కడికి ఆగిపోయింది. సో బట్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ స్టాప్డ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ రిపీటింగ్, నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్. సో నాట్ టర్మినేట్ ఆగలేదు అంటే ఆగిపోలేదు, టర్మినేట్ అయిందంటే ఆగిపోయింది అన్నట్టు, ఇక్కడ టర్మినేట్ కాలేదు, నాన్ టర్మినేటింగ్ డెసిమల్స్. అండ్ ఆల్సో రిపీటింగ్, that is recurring decimals, repeating or recurring decimals. These are non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring or repeating decimals. Okay, so like this you can find decimal form to any rational numbers. In this decimal form we have terminating decimal and non-terminating or recurring decimals. So 1 by 3 equal to, we got 0.3 bar. So 1 by 7 to 1 by 7 we got 0.142857 bar. So here in this decimal 3 is repeating, so set off in this decimal form 142857 are repeating decimals. So these set of decimals are called period. Here period is త్రీ. వాట్ ఈజ్ రిపీటింగ్? సో ఏదైతే రిపీట్ అవుతుందో ఆ డెసిమల్ని పీరియడ్ అంటాం. సో హియర్ పీరియడ్ ఈజ్ ద సెట్ ఆఫ్ డెసిమల్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ రిపీటింగ్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ పీరియడ్. 142857. How many number of decimals are repeating? Only one. That is called periodicity. How many are? 1. So here periodicity is how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So periodicity is 6. Okay, this is about decimal forms. Next, conversion of decimal form into rational form. So first of all, terminating decimal into rational form. Suppose 0.57, change 0.57 into rational form. So how many, after decimal points, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So you have to multiply with 1 after how many number of digits? 2 digits followed by 2 zeros by 100. Okay, so here 0.57 into 100 is 57. So by multiplying with 100, the point moves right side 2 digits, so it will become 57 point, that means 57. So by 100, so 0.57 equal to, will get 57 by 100. Suppose we have 0.2, 0.2. So 0.2 we can write as into, after decimal point how many digits? 1. So into 10 by divide with 10. So 0.2 into 10 multiply with 10, so it will become 2 by 10. So it moves 1 digit, so 2 by 10. So 2 ones are 2 5s are, by dividing with same number 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. So that is 0.2 equal to 1 by 5. Suppose 1.4. So after decimal point we have only 1 digit, so multiply with 10 by 10. So into 10, 14 by 10. So we are multiplying with 10, so it moves 1 digit, so that is 14 by 10. 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, that equal 1.4 equal to 7 by 5. Like this we can change decimal form into rational forms. So here these are the rational forms. Just we did only terminating decimals. So now non-terminating decimals, conversion of non-terminating decimals into rational form. Let us see conversion of non-terminating decimal into rational form. Suppose 14.5 bar. So let us take it as x. Let x equal to 14.5 bar. So x equal to 14.5 bar means 5 5 5 5 and so on. Bar means it is repeating decimal, so we can write 5 5 5 and so on. So now let us take it is as first equation. What is the periodicity? Periodicity is 1. So because only one decimal is repeating, so periodicity is 1. So we have to multiply with 10. Multiply first equation by 10. సో ఏం చూడాలి? పీరియాడిసిటీ ఏముందో చూసి అన్ని టెన్స్ తోటి, అంటే సపోజ్ పీరియాడిసిటీ 2 ఉందనుకోండి, 0.57 బార్ ఉందనుకోండి. ఓకే, సో పీరియాడిసిటీ is 2. You have to multiply with 2 tens, that means 10 into 10, 100. If you have the periodicity is 3, you have to multiply with 1000. Okay, so here multiply 1 by 10. So x into 10 on both sides. రెండు సైడ్లు కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి on both sides. Both sides. Okay, so here x into 10 equal to 14.555 and so on into 10. So x into 10 is 10x equal to, by multiplying 10, the point will move 1 digit right side, so it will become 145.5555 and so on. So actually we left only 3 5s, but we can write 4 5s because we have infinite number of 5s. చాలా ఉన్నాయి, దాంట్లో ఒకటి తీసేస్తే ఇంకెన్ని ఉంటుందో తెలియదు. సో మన ఇష్టం ఉన్న ఎన్ని కావాలంటే అన్ని రాసుకోవచ్చు. సో నౌ లెట్ us take as second equation. Now subtract first equation from second equation. So what we are doing? Do second minus first. Okay. Okay. What is the second equation? 10x equal to 145.555 and so on. First equation is x equal to 14. Don't write here, so you have to write units digit in down of units digit and tens digit in down of tens digit. So 5 5 5 5. 14 అనేది ఇక్కడే రాయండి. టెన్స్ డిజిట్ కింద టెన్స్ డిజిట్ రావాలి, యూనిట్ డిజిట్ కింద యూనిట్స్ డిజిట్ వచ్చేటట్టుగా రాసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, లేదు కానీ తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ రాస్తే మాత్రం 14 కింద 14 రాస్తే తప్పు అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో మీకు అది తెలిసిందే. అది నౌ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, చేంజ్ ద సైన్స్. 10x minus x, x means 1x, 10 minus 1 is 9x equal to 5 minus 4 1, 4 minus 1 3, so 1 point. 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 5 0 0 0 will get 0. So after decimal point we have all zeros, so no need to write. So that is 9x equal to 131. Then x equal to 131. Here 9 is multiplying x. By transposing right side it will become by. So x equal to 131 by 9. What is the x? 14.5. So therefore 14.5 bar equal to 131 by 9. సో ఈ విధంగా మీరు ఇంకొన్ని ఓన్గా ట్రై చేయండి. ట్రై చేస్తే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. సో ఇట్లా రిపీటింగ్ డెసిమల్ 1 కాకుండా 2 3 తీసుకొని కూడా ట్రై చేయండి. యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఈజీలీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.